Imagine this. You're swimming in the ocean. Suddenly you get a small cut. Will sharks smell your blood and swarm? This question has haunted beachgoers and divers for years. It's a primal fear fueled by movies and stories. But is it true? The truth, as with many things in nature, is more nuanced than fiction suggests. While sharks possess a remarkable sense of smell, the ocean is a vast and complex environment. A single drop of blood doesn't instantly transform them into mindless eating machines. Humans are drawn to the unknown. We crave explanations for the world around us. This curiosity drives us to explore, to question, to understand. But sometimes the answers aren't readily available. We're left grappling with uncertainties, particularly when it comes to complex scientific phenomena. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by technical jargon and complicated theories. This is where clear, concise explanations become crucial. We need to bridge the gap between scientific understanding and everyday curiosity. Our fascination with the unknown extends beyond sharks and blood. We've all heard the myths. If you flush an airplane toilet mid-flight, you'll get sucked out. If you wake up in a coffin, you'll suffocate before anyone hears your screams. These stories, while often untrue, tap into our deepest fears and anxieties. The truth is often far less dramatic, grounded in scientific principles. Airplane toilets have sophisticated vacuum systems. Coffins, while certainly not a desirable place to wake up, aren't airtight death traps. Understanding the science behind these myths helps us separate fact from fiction. Let's return to our original question. Are sharks really the bloodthirsty predators that popular culture often makes them out to be? Or is there more to these fascinating creatures than meets the eye? Sharks do have an incredibly sensitive sense of smell. This heightened olfactory ability is one of their most remarkable traits, allowing them to navigate and hunt effectively in the vast and often murky ocean waters. They can detect minute traces of blood in the water, thanks to specialized organs called nares located beneath their snouts. These nares are essentially the shark's nostrils, but they function quite differently from those of land animals. These nares are sensitive enough to detect blood dilutions as low as 1 part per million. This means that even the tiniest amount of blood in the water can be picked up by a shark's keen sense of smell. However, this doesn't mean a drop of blood triggers a feeding frenzy. Sharks are not mindless eating machines. They are complex creatures with a variety of behaviors and responses to different stimuli. Factors like water currents, the shark's species, its feeding habits, and its distance from the source all come into play. For instance, some species are more aggressive than others, and the presence of strong currents can disperse the scent, making it harder for the shark to locate the source. Experiments have shown that sharks are more attracted to the scent of fish blood and oils, their natural prey, than to human blood. This makes sense when you consider that sharks have evolved over millions of years to hunt fish and other marine animals, not humans. So, while sharks are indeed capable of detecting blood in the water, the idea that they are constantly on the lookout for human blood is more fiction than fact. Understanding these nuances helps us appreciate the true nature of these incredible ocean predators. Section 5. Silence of the Void. Debunking Myths Beyond the Deep. In this section, we will explore some of the most pervasive myths about the deep ocean and outer space, and reveal the scientific truths that debunk them. The myth of sharks and blood is similar to the misconception that you can hear a scream in space. Many people believe that sharks can smell a single drop of blood from miles away, just as they think sound can travel through the vacuum of space. Sound waves require a medium like air or water to travel. In the ocean, sound travels much faster and farther than in air because water is denser. This is why marine animals rely heavily on sound for communication and navigation. The vacuum of space offers no such medium. Without air or water, sound waves have nothing to travel through, rendering space completely silent. This is a stark contrast to the bustling, noisy environment of the ocean. Therefore, despite dramatic depictions in movies, a scream in space would be utterly silent. Similarly, the idea that sharks are mindless killers constantly on the hunt for human blood is a gross exaggeration. These examples highlight the importance of critical thinking and scientific literacy. By questioning what we see in popular media and seeking out factual information, we can better understand the world around us. It's easy to accept sensationalized stories without questioning their validity. However, taking the time to research and learn can reveal the fascinating realities that are often more interesting than the myths. But by understanding the basic principles of biology, physics, and other scientific disciplines, we can approach such claims with a healthy dose of skepticism. This not only enriches our knowledge but also empowers us to make informed decisions and appreciate the true wonders of our world. Section 6. A drop in the bucket. Context is key. So should you be worried about bleeding in the ocean? The short answer is, it's complicated. A minor cut is unlikely to attract sharks from miles around. However, larger wounds or prolonged bleeding might increase the chances of attracting attention, especially in areas with known shark activity. Common sense dictates avoiding swimming in areas known for shark presence, particularly if you have an open wound. Paying attention to your surroundings and heeding local advisories is always wise. Section 7. The Internet's echo chamber, navigating a sea of information. In today's digital age, we're bombarded with information from all sides. The Internet, while a valuable resource, can also be a breeding ground for misinformation. Sensationalized headlines and unverified claims spread like wildfire, making it difficult to discern fact from fiction. This highlights the importance of seeking information from reputable sources. Scientific journals, educational institutions, and trusted organizations like National Geographic or the Discovery Channel offer reliable information backed by research and expertise. Section 8. Knowledge is power, embracing curiosity, seeking truth. Our innate curiosity is a powerful tool. It drives us to learn, to explore, and to better understand the world around us. By embracing critical thinking, questioning what we hear, and seeking out reliable sources of information, we can navigate the vast sea of knowledge with confidence. The next time you encounter a curious claim or an urban legend, remember the sharks and the blood. Don't be afraid to ask questions, to dig deeper, and to seek out the truth. Section 9. The final word. Our fascination with the unknown persists. In the grand tapestry of the natural world, there will always be mysteries to unravel and questions to answer. From the deepest parts of the ocean to the farthest reaches of space, the unknown beckons us. It is this allure of the unexplored that drives humanity forward, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. Each discovery, no matter how small, adds a piece to the puzzle of our existence. Our fascination with the unknown is a testament to our endless capacity for wonder and our drive to understand the world we inhabit. This curiosity is not just a trait of scientists and explorers, it is a fundamental part of being human. From childhood we are drawn to the mysteries around us, whether it's the dark corners of our backyard or the stories of distant galaxies. This innate curiosity fuels our imagination and inspires innovation. Let's approach these unknowns with a healthy balance of curiosity and skepticism, always seeking knowledge as our guide. It is through this balance that we can make meaningful discoveries while avoiding the pitfalls of misinformation and superstition. The scientific method, with its emphasis on evidence and reason, provides a robust framework for exploring the unknown. By questioning, testing, and refining our ideas, we move closer to the truth. The ocean, with all its wonders and unknowns, will forever hold a special place in our collective imagination. Its vastness and depth are a constant reminder of how much there is yet to discover. From the vibrant ecosystems of coral reefs to the mysterious creatures of the deep sea, the ocean is a treasure trove of knowledge waiting to be uncovered. Each expedition into its depths brings new insights and challenges our understanding of life on Earth. May we approach it, and all the mysteries it holds, with respect, curiosity, and a thirst for understanding. As we venture into the unknown, let us remember the importance of preserving these natural wonders for future generations. Our quest for knowledge should go hand in hand with our responsibility to protect and cherish the world we explore. In doing so, we ensure that the spirit of discovery continues to thrive, inspiring future generations to seek out the unknown and expand the horizons of human knowledge.